can't see the vision, boy, they must be out of focus. That's a real hot album, homie, I wonder who wrote it. Oh shit, OJ, pray them niggas go away. Oh, we sell the clowns around, it look like Circus Soleil. This is not the album either, these are just the throwaways. This shit's still so cold when it drop, it's gonna be a motherfucking snow day. Hey, boy, it's good and he knows it. He don't say it, he shows it. I'm just like DeRozan.
Poisonous vibration.
He's so ugly. I love him.
Oh, that's hot. That's hot.
Stupid. I'm not gonna let you get the chance.
Listen.
I'll tell you what I don't like,
Too old
though,
for that.
Okay.
is when kids call you daddy.
Oh my, that's the
I don't like
worst.
that.
Now that's what this is all about.
Right? And right away, Butch goes into this really fun.
Sticky.
Excuse me, what?
Oh, you smell lipstick and my Valentino white.
Hi, this is Frank and this is Gerard.
Hi.
We're in My Chemical Romance and we're gonna play some videos.
Ooh, some gay shit.
Bruh, look at this dude. Wait till you see the. No, 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 no. Look at the top of his head. Look at his lips.
Mother trucker, dude. That hurt like a butt cheek on a stick.
Watch your profanity.
All the girls are on me. Down. Everybody pay attention. This right here is my pretty boy swag.
Stop it! Do not explain it! No, I gotta explain. Do not rationalize this behavior!
Rewind time.
What kind of fuckery is this?
Who really needs to be in this rewind video? Everyone who managed to do something bigger than themselves this year, who found a way to help the causes that matter to them most.
I haven't found a drop of water.
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 What are you saying? You're saying water.
Oh, god damn it.
Why are you doing that?
We have a bowl of water.
Why are you making me sing? I hate singing. When do I even come in? I don't...
Stay with me. No, you don't need to run. Stay with me, my blood.
I'm fine. 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 I'm fine.
1,000 years of good fortune upon you.
You should have gone for the head.
Did you do it?
Yes.
What did it cost?
Everything.